Before we jump into weather with Christian, we want to show you this video from a viewer. This video was taken by Carrie Major around Kittery, and an interesting fact about deer here in Maine. They rely on what are called deer yards. It's a dense patch of forest, usually softwoods like spruce, cedar, or hemlock. Under their branches, snow accumulates less deeply, and the trees block bitter winter winds.
Oh, that's really cool.
Interesting. The more you know, right?
Looks like they were enjoying the snow today.
Yes.
Did you get to see a little bit of snow out there?
I stayed in.
Yeah.
Under a blanket.
Yeah, it was cold today.
Yes,
it was like bitterly cold. It was not feeling the nicest. It's going to be remaining pretty chilly in our forecast as well as we head towards the work week. But the snow that we saw today has wrapped up. We got 0.1 inches in Portland, so it was just a coating that most of us saw. But keep in mind, there could be a few slick spots out there. Wasn't enough to bring the plows out, and there certainly is some lingering moisture on the road, so could be a couple slick spots out there this evening. I did notice though the moon is out. It's fairly clear in most spots. That's allowing our temperatures to get quite cold. There we go. Freiburg down to 9 already this evening. 23 in Portland. We're 16 in Lewiston. We're 21 in Augusta, and in the teens up into northern Maine. For tonight, yeah, it's going to be pretty cold. Teens once again down to the coastline. Will be in the single digits in places like Freiburg and up in Caribou. Not as bad as the past couple nights, but by no means is it a mild night out there. Going to be pretty cold as we wake up tomorrow. Now tomorrow we have a chance of snow once again towards the evening hours. We'll start out with sunshine in the morning, it looks like. We should get to the freezing mark tomorrow. I know that this morning, if you were watching me, I did say that today we were likely to get to the freezing mark. In the end, the clouds, the light snow ended up lingering a little longer than it was initially expected. So that kept us really cold today. Tomorrow we shouldn't have the same issues, so we should actually get to the freezing mark. I do expect it to feel a little better out there into the afternoon as clouds build in. And guess what? More snow arrives as we head towards the evening. So 6, 7, 8 o'clock, it looks like light snow breaks out across the state, especially across the interior and up into the mountains. And it looks like generally most of the snow is going to be north of the Portland area into central Maine and into the mid-coast and down east Maine. You can see that southern Maine, we don't get too much out of this, maybe a coating up to an inch. Looks like central Maine is a better shot of getting maybe 2 or 3 inches of snow. This continues through Sunday night. Cold, cold temperatures mean it's light and fluffy. Shouldn't have too much of an issue stacking up 2 or 3 inches in many spots. Wraps up for the morning commute Monday. Will be a few lingering slick spots Monday morning. It's also going to be frigid on Monday. Highs only around 20 degrees for the afternoon, back below 0 or into the single digits for Monday night. It's going to be very, very cold once again to start next week. So in terms of snowfall for tomorrow night, 1 to 3 inches generally expected across most of the state. Notice that cutoff though, down to the south, it does just look like we'll get less snow, a coating up to an inch or so, but shouldn't have too much of an impact. It's coming overnight. Just keep in mind that Monday morning could be a bit slick in some spots. And then Monday night comes in, yeah, it's going to be painful. 0-degree temperatures, below 0 in many spots, single digits down to 3 in the Portland area as we wake up on Tuesday morning. So that cold is coming back in a big way. So first clipper system of our forecast period here, Sunday night into Monday. Again, 1 to 3 inches for many with that. Cold on Monday and quiet. Tuesday's pretty quiet as well, and then guess what? Another system moves in for Tuesday evening, some more light snow with that, and then potentially another system on Wednesday with, guess what? Yep, another chance of some snowfall. So very wintry forecast here. Here's a look at our 7-day. You can see we do have that chance of some snow overnight Tuesday night. Next chance of snow after that will be on Wednesday. We do get a little milder towards the middle of the week, but 40 degrees maybe is within reach along the coastline. Otherwise, it's a pretty cold forecast going right in line with this very cold start to December, Sam.
Yeah, and if it's cold, might as well bring the snow.
That's right.
Yeah.
You know, at least it's looking festive with all the Christmas lights out there.
Yeah.
Snow in December, I feel like, is the easiest of the winter months to get it. So.
Yeah. All right. Thank you, Christian.